Sound. On a computer, the device that produces sound is called a sound source. In order to reproduce music, etc., it is necessary to faithfully reproduce the original sound. In order to do this on a computer, a specialized device, sound device, is needed. There are two kinds of sound sources. There is the FM, frequency modulation, sound source that combines several sounds to get a sound close to the sound source. There is also the PCM, pulse code modulation, sound source that digitizes the original sound as it is into a digital signal for reproduction using the same principle as a CD. Format data is often used on PCs as sound data. However, this data is the PCM sound source that has been compressed to make it smaller by the ADPCM, adaptive differential PCM, compression method. The FM sound source is inexpensive and can reproduce sound clearly, so computers are sometimes equipped with it internally as standard equipment. The PCM sound source can reproduce more natural, real sound. Recently, the PCM sound source has also been implemented as standard equipment on PCs. Software for processing and reproducing each of these types of sound data has been announced. In addition, musical instruments can be controlled by the computer. Automatic renditions done and melodies that have been performed can be put into the computer as data. The standard for this is the MIDI, Musical Instrument Digital Interface. At present, almost all electronic musical instruments have a terminal that supports MIDI. Other sound formats used mainly on PCs are as follows. WAVE, the standard sound data format for Microsoft Windows. AIFF, audio interchange file format, the sound data format for Apple computers, Macintosh. Real audio. It reproduces sound data while receiving it off the internet. MP3, MPEG audio layer 3. The sound compression system of the sound section of MPEG-1, which compresses and decompresses image data. It is often used for exchanging music data over the internet.